Are you a parent that supports your child's multiple sporting practices and games each week? Are you a super fan willing to sit through overtime to see your favorite team seal a win? At Cascade Mountain Tech, we understand your need to be there for the team. We also know how uncomfortable it can be to sit on wood or metal bleachers for hours on end. Our stadium seats are built to provide both durability and comfort for the most dedicated parents and fans. Our stadium seats offer a comfortable and durable, water-resistant canvas seat and backrest, an undermount stabilizer bar that keeps your seat from sliding or leaning backwards, and a folding design that makes it easy to pack up for the walk to the car. Our ultralight stadium seat weighs less than 6 pounds and includes a shoulder strap to make trips to and from the car easier than ever. Built with an aluminum frame and a durable canvas seat and back, the ultralight stadium seat comes in either regular or wide and is sold in a variety of colors.
Hey guys, my name is Sarah Eckelkamp and we're here at Biloxi Beach, Mississippi, and today we're going to teach you more about the Rendezvous chair. With the way the Rendezvous sits low to the ground, it's a great chair for relaxing on the beach. It's also great for hanging around the campfire. It has a cool mesh center to allow airflow on those hot days. It's composed of a sturdy powder-coated steel frame to hold up to 300 pounds. It also has padded armrests to maximize the comfort level. The feet swivel, so if you're on slightly uneven ground, they will help accommodate the terrain. It easily compacts and fits into the included carry bag, so you can easily store and transport the chair. We hope you learned something new. Thanks for tuning in.
guys, this is Paul here from Trekology. I just wanted to introduce everybody to the Trekology EasyGo outdoor chair. I really like using this chair for anything outdoors, outdoor picnics, outdoor concerts, or outdoor sporting events. It's really small, lightweight, easy to pack and take anywhere with you. So to assemble the chair, which comes in this carrying bag, you'll want to open the zipper and pull out the chair. Now the chair comes in two pieces. This first piece is the seat cover, which I'll set aside for now. The second piece is the legs of the chair. It comes with the Velcro strap, which I'll open. Now the legs of the chair comes in a wide assortment of different pieces, but it's really easy to put together. You simply take each piece separately and it will slide itself into the hole that it corresponds with. It's very easy. Now the next part is to look for the parts of the leg with these small black tabs. These are the part that will sit on the ground. So I'll rotate this so it goes to the ground on both sides. Now I identify there are two long parts of the chair and two short parts of the chair. The long parts will be the back of the chair, the short parts will be the front of the chair. Now if I take the seat cover now, look for the Trekology logo on the seat. This will be the back part of the chair. And I'll rotate the chair toward the camera. So the Trekology logo will be the back part of the chair. And you'll want to start by assembling the front part of the chair. Now the seat cover has, on each corner, it will have a black tab. This tab will go over the bar from the leg of the chair. So slide the black pouch over the leg of the chair, and you'll want to repeat this process for each of the four corners of the chair. So now the front is assembled. Rotate the chair to the back. Simply slide this pouch into the leg of the chair, and then the fourth corner. So at this point, the chair is assembled. You can have a seat, very comfortable.
Why is a rocking chair so universally loved? Because of the sense of total relaxation and stress relief it creates. The Freestyle Rocker from GCI Outdoor is a portable rocking chair for all of your on-the-go adventures. With a patent-pending spring-action rocking technology, the chair rocks smoothly with its uniquely designed rock shocks. The Freestyle Rocker provides a smooth and relaxing rocking motion on soft or hard terrains. The Freestyle Rocker is constructed of sturdy powder-coated steel that supports up to 250 pounds. Other features are padded armrests and a convenient beverage holder. The Freestyle Rocker folds up quickly and easily with patent-pending Easy Fold technology. Just pull up on the handle on the side of the seat to fold the chair. It has a convenient carry handle that lets you take this chair with you wherever you go. The Freestyle Rocker is ideal for camping, RVs, tailgating, music festivals, watching sports, and any outdoor activity. GCI Outdoor, the experts in portable recreation gear.
The Kajaro Dual-Lock chair features the Kajaro Dual-Lock experience and is made from diamond ripstop polyester with a breathable mesh back. The Kajaro Dual-Lock chair weighs just under 9.5 pounds, but can hold up to 300 pounds with no sag seating, 2 different sized mesh cup holders, and a side pocket organizer. The Kajaro Dual-Lock chair provides you with superior seating and portability. Kajaro, journey on.